I'm going to record a quick screencast to see what it takes to go from nothing to deploying a Phoenix application on Gigalixir. So let's get started. Let's go and find the guides. Okay. Right here, installation, Phoenix. Okay, let's install the latest archive. I might have this installed already. We'll find out. Okay, got that installed. I already have some of this other stuff already running, so let's skip ahead to the next thing. Up and running. Okay, so let's create our new application. Mix phoenix.new. We'll call this foobar. Patch and install these dependencies. Yes. Classic JavaScript, taking a bit longer than the Elixir deps. Wow, this is taking quite a bit of time. Okay, here we go. Now let's get started in here. Boom. So after that, I think it showed us what we wanted, but I got rid of it. So here, mix ecto.create. Got our database created. Now let's run the server. Failed to connect. Oh, I have another app already running. Okay, let's try that again. Boom, bada bing. Let's open another tab here. Localhost 4000. Boom. Let's make a change here just to where is this thing? There it is. Welcome to Phoenix. Let's say welcome to foobar. Boom. Okay, let's find out what the next step is. I think we have it running, so we'll be good there. Now let's initialize this. We'll say initial commit. Okay. Let's go back here. Up and running. Okay, got all that. Now let's go to Gigalixir. Okay, initialize the Git repository, install Gigalixir, sign up, yada yada. Okay, we've got our stuff. We already did that. Installing the Gigalixir CLI. I might already have this. I do not. Okay, let's get that installed. Oh, nice. I think you used to have to install that using pip. It's a lot of Python. Okay, looks like that's installed. Boom. Okay, now let's sign up. I'll check that on my phone. Okay, got that confirmed. Now let's log in. Okay, looks like I'm logged in. Let's verify. Okay, looks good. Now let's create and set up our Gigalixir application. Arid, playful, grosbeak. Interesting. Let's verify. There we are. Okay, looks like that's good. Now let's copy and paste some of this in here to set up our build packs. One more. Oh my god, I can't get that E. There we go. Now let's don't forget to commit. Added the Gigalixir build packs. Oh. Okay, got that. Now let's make our project ready for Gigalixir. Force SSL, let's not worry about that. Let's do that for this though. Or let's do it for both. Let's force SSL. Config. Force SSL rewrite on X forwarded proto. That looks good. Let's go back. Let's go to our repo. Is that here? That is not here. Oh, that might be in the repo file. Let's go back here and let's just add config foobar foobar.repo. Let's say SSL true. I think that's right. Okay, so then let's go back to here. Force SSL in prod. Okay. Now let's create a database. Gigalixir pg create -- free. Sounds reasonable. Okay, got our database there. Looks like there it is. We get our database URL and our pool size. Now it's time to deploy. Git push Gigalixir main, I think is what we'll use because mine is main. So here we go. Looks like it's Okay, looks like it's done. Let's check the status of our deploy. Looks like it's still not up there yet. Almost there. Okay, looks like we're up, so let's try do some Gigalixir open. Still setting up the load balancer, okay. .503. What did I do wrong? Let's check the logs. Ah, here it is. We need to set our URL, our host. Yep, that was my bad. So what is it? Arid playful grosbeak .gigalixir.app.com port 443. Okay, so then that was our change. Set prod host. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, check the deploy. Gotta wait for version 2 to be released. Okay, it looks like it's healthy. Let's open up these logs again. There we go. Welcome to FooBar. Okay, there you go. That's what it took to create a brand new Phoenix application and deploy it to Gigalixir.